So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Roblox error code 288 and 279 on the private server. So guys, fixing the Roblox error code 288 and 279. So guys, basically 288 related to the server shutdown and 279 is related to the failed connection, require addressing both the backend server glitches and local network issue. So fixing this error code 288, so you manually check the server. Do not rejoin the server if you are immediately kicked off. Return to the main game page and click the server tab and join again and completely different instance. Okay. Another thing is guys, check the game stats and the update. If the game developer is pushing any update, server often shut down. So you wait 5 to 10 minutes before joining again to allow the new server instance to load the updated code. Second thing is guys, check Roblox status. Verify if there are widely spread platform issues by checking the Roblox status page. For this, open any browser. Okay. And guys, here you simply go to and simply search the Roblox server. So first I click and simply search Roblox server status. Now you move downward and hit enter. Then guys, go to the option of Roblox status. After that guys, here you see that we have, it shows all the working things, like website is properly working, Xbox is properly working, user, player, creator, and here you see the last incident happened on the 29th June, and it is identify, monitoring as well as resolve. But in your case, if you find the issue nearby your login time, so guys, you just wait for fixing from the backend side. After that guys, fixing the error code 279. So guys, basically 279 is failed to connect error that frequently points to the network latency and VPN interface. So guys, allow Roblox through the window firewall. So guys, if your Windows Defender firewall creating the issue for creating the issue for connect your application to the internet, so guys, please allow it. For this, simply open your window firewall. Here you show window security, and in the window security, here you click the option of firewall and the network protection. If you find any of the app and any of the game are showing any notification here, so guys, you please allow it. Okay. Here you also check it also your application also show in this session. If you find related to the Roblox any service, so guys, you allow it, then maybe your issue is uh, sh- uh, resolved. Okay. Then guys, check device date and time. Ensure your system date and time are synchronized automatically, as incorrect timestamp can disturb and secure your server handshake. So reinstall the game client, completely remove the application and download the latest installer directly from the client. Okay. If the issue continues, so could you tell the Roblox customer support? For this, simply open browser again, and guys, here you simply search the Roblox support where you generate your ticket. So here you simply Roblox support. Okay, wait a second. Support form. Okay, now go for the option of Roblox support. Here, if you're facing the issue, so here you can take the screenshot of the problem, and here you select your date, time, and just logged in and create and generate that again. Okay, so this is the way that you can fix this. So guys, thank you.